How to urge delivery on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You will be directed to the shop page. Now you can browse through the items and select the item that you want to purchase. Click on the item, select the details of the item, size, color, and the quantity, and add the item to the cart. Once we're done selecting the item, head over to the cart section. Click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're on this page, you're gonna find all the items that you have selected for the purchase. Now proceed to checkout. You will be directed to other confirmation page. Firstly, select your shipping address, then head towards the section of shipping method. On the shipping method, you're gonna find different options such as standard, express, and urge. Check in for the option of urge. Once you have set urge as your shipping method, you're gonna get your item within 1 to 2 days. Now select your payment method and complete all this process and confirm your order. So this way you can easily urge delivery on SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.